Hey guys, happy Friday!
Happy Friday! Happy Friday!
Hope you're having a great day. We are here with our very last Kids in the Kitchen cooking live, and I thought today we would celebrate the end of the week, the beginning of the weekend, with some cookies. How does that sound? Do we like cookies?
Yeah!
Awesome. Thanks, Harrison. Dean, do you like cookies? Okay, Dean's a bit upset. Okay, so we are going to go ahead and make cookies using, well, actually going to make one batter, and we're going to split it in two and make two different kinds of cookies. So let me get something out of the microwave. And
The peanut butter I could tell from the spoon.
that's right. We're going to make this peanut butter batter. Yeah. Here. So what we're starting off with is 1 cup of peanut butter. So if you just lower it down a little bit, there you go. So this is 1 cup of crunchy peanut butter. You could use smooth, you could use almond butter, you could even use tahini, which is like a sesame seed paste, or really any seed butter would be great in this. This is actually going to be a cookie that doesn't use any flour, so no traditional grain flour being used, so that's really good. Yep, so now we're going to add in a little bit of sugar. So this is actually stevia. Do you want to let Harrison do it? Because you did the last one, okay? So this is a half a cup of stevia. You could use monk fruit sweetener. You could use regular granulated sugar. Use whatever you have. Oopsie. Yep, that's why we got to be careful. That's okay.
Oops, a peanut butter.
That's okay. Okay, so we just added half a cup, and we're going to add in vanilla next. So we just need 1 teaspoon. Let's let Dean do it this time, okay? No,
I want to do it.
you're going to do the next one after Olivia, okay? So hold the spoon, Dean. The spoon, good. And we're going to add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Just a minute, Harrison. Good. So pour that in. Good. And now I'm going to do the egg, okay? So the egg's going to help to bind everything together. And since this is a cookie dough recipe that doesn't use any flour, we really need a good binder. So the peanut butter is going to help to just keep everything held together as well as the egg. So let me do this, okay?
How come not do it on this?
Yeah. So I like to do it. I like to crack the egg on a flat surface so we don't get any pieces of the shell going into the egg. So now we're just going to mix it all together. So Harrison, how about you try to mix it all together first?
Okay. Isn't it my turn?
You're going to do the next spot, okay? So we're going to all take turns, okay? So, yeah, put the spoon into the yolk, and then we're just going to mix it all around. There you go. Let's see who's here. Hey, hi. So, hi, Naseem Khan, 524. We are actually making some sugar-free, grain-free peanut butter cookies, and we're going to be making them in 2 different ways, so you get 2 different kinds of cookies out of this one batter. Good job, bud. Okay, Olivia, do you want to start trying to mix it together?
Mom, can I put the jelly in?
Now, the jelly we're going to use a little bit later. Be careful because that can break if it falls down, okay? Good job. Now, this batter right now is pretty loose. Hey, hands down. And so what we're going to do to just help to bind it together even more is use a little bit of flour. Good. So this is a 1/4 cup of almond flour. Hey, it's Tantalia.
Hi,
You're going to stir it next, okay? Very good. Okay, let's put it down. Now, Dean, you stir it together. And so this is the last ingredient that's going to make this very basic peanut butter cookie dough batter. And then we'll split it in half.
What's the jelly?
Yeah, I'm going to show you. We're going to have a couple of different ways to make these cookies into really fun things for the kids and for the kids at heart. So we're going to, look, there's Miss Joanne. Can you say hi?
Hi, Miss Joanne.
Hey, guys.
I had this other recipe that we would make
Oh, yeah?
bake on Saturday. It's called the jelly cookie roll.
Oh, that sounds good.
But it's a jelly pizza.
A jelly pizza? Wow.
It doesn't. It is a jelly pizza.
Okay, so now we have the dough completely mixed together. Let me show you what it looks like. So as you can see, it's a really soft batter. It smells like peanut butter. It's really, really good. And then all we're going to do now is just split it in half. So I have another bowl. I'm just going to put half of the batter in this bowl. Okay, and then to this one, we're going to add in some chocolate chips. So Dean had requested making some chocolate chip cookies.
Peanut butter chocolate chip.
Okay, and so we actually have 2 different kinds of chocolate chips here. So we have the normal, like what I would call black, which is really just like milk chocolate chips, and I also have white chocolate chips. Okay, go get your water. So I'm just a minute. So I'm using this Lily's chocolate chips, which is the stevia sweetened chocolate chips. Obviously, you can go ahead and use whatever chocolate chips that you have. So we're using a 1/4 cup of each of the different kinds of cookies. Each different kinds of chocolate chips. Yeah, bud, you're gonna have to wait, okay? So that's a 1/4 cup of the brown or the milk chocolate chips, and then we're gonna do another 1/4 of the cup of the white chocolate chips. Good, very good. These ones, the ones that Olivia's adding. Good, this enough? Good.
Can I try to eat one of them?
They're going to be in the cookies, so you're going to eat them in the cookies, okay?
Can I please eat it? I want to eat it.
Okay, so now Olivia's going to stir them together, and we're just going to keep mixing it until it's completely incorporated. So this is going to be a really fun, like, black and white chocolate chip cookie recipe with this peanut butter base, so that's going to be really yummy. Let's see who else we have. We have Mama Chris. Hi,
Mama Chris.
Mama Chris. And we have Health on the Home Front. Hey, how's it going? Okay, so we are making these black and white chocolate chip cookies right now. And actually, we're using one dough, which is a basic like peanut butter dough. We split it in two, so we're going to make 2 different kinds of cookies. And the first one are these black and white chocolate chip.
Can you show them, please?
Yeah, okay. So Olivia wants me to show you. So this is what the batter looks like now that it has the black and white chocolate chips in it. So yummy, and then now comes the fun part. Okay, so I'm gonna grab this tray with just a non-stick liner on it. And what you're gonna do is, we'll get a tablespoon of the dough.
And what?
And we're gonna put it in our hands.
I'm ready. I don't want to do this.
Okay, you don't have to do this.
I'm gonna do it.
Okay. Just a minute, let me show you first, okay?
You're getting your hands.
Yeah, and all we're gonna do is we're gonna kind of squeeze it together in our hands and to create a ball.
You're going to get sick.
No, but and we're just gonna roll it into a ball in our hands. And it's a very forgiving dough, so you can just like pinch it back together if you need to. But then we just end up with a little ball of peanut butter cookie. And we put it on our tray. I don't know if you can see that. We put it on our tray.
You will get sick.
Harrison, that's enough, bud. And we're going to flatten it with our hands to about, let's see, that's about a 1/2 inch thick. Maybe a little bit less, but you just flatten it with your hands and it creates a really like rustic looking black and white chocolate chip cookie. Okay guys, you want to help me do that?
No, I'm not.
Oh, you don't want to do that? Oh, okay, Dean's going to do it.
Okay, fine, I'll do it.
Okay, so we'll get a good tablespoon. Okay, just squish it in your fingers just like Play-Doh. Good.
Yeah. It doesn't like Play-Doh.
Olivia.
Can you please do it?
Okay. So this is usually the fun part because everyone is helping to make cookies, but it's definitely okay if they don't want to. Okay, bud, so just squeeze it in your hands. There you go. Good job. Make a little ball. Good.
Do you know what we do to make a ball out of Play-Doh? We do this.
Yeah, that's right. So we're going to make a little ball, and we're going to put it on our tray, and then just... It's okay. Don't squeeze too hard. Olivia, look up. Let me have it, okay? So all we're going to do is, we don't want to squish it too hard. We're just going to gently form it into a ball, okay? And then put it on our tray. Yep. Did you push that one down? Good. Okay, let go. Let go. Good. Good job, bud. Okay, so that's the first kind of cookie, and that's the oven. So these are going to end up cooking at 350 degrees. So the oven is preheated now. And then what we're going to do with our other dough is we're going to do the same thing at first. So we're taking a tablespoon of the dough. Then touch your face, please, okay? So a tablespoon of the dough. We're going to make a little ball. And we're going to, once again, just a minute, bud. I want to show you first, okay? Let me show you so you know. Okay, we're going to put it on our tray. Let me see if I can put it somewhere you can all see it. We're going to then push it down a little bit. But then we are going to take a finger or a thumb, and we're going to make a little indentation in the middle.
I don't want to do that.
Okay, you don't have
like a donut?
to. A little bit like a donut, but we're not going to go all the way through. Okay?
Do you want to put jelly in the middle?
Okay, let's listen, guys, so you know what to do, okay? Let me go wipe my hands. Okay, now what we're going to do, oh, don't do it to that one, bud. This one's going to stay just like that, okay? So I'm showing you what to do on the next one, the one that doesn't have chocolate chips, all right?
Yeah, it comes up to the jelly.
Exactly. So then we're going to put a little teaspoon of jelly in the little indentation that you've made in the cookie. And so these are making like basically peanut butter and jelly cookies. The little thumbprint cookies. Yes.
Can you put jelly in my cookie.
You want jelly in your cookie?
I want peanut butter in mine.
Okay, well there's peanut butter in it already.
Oh, I want jelly.
Okay, you do want jelly, yes, because I know
Can
you
I
love.
want the spoon?
No,
I'm
not yet.
only gonna want the chocolate chip.
Okay, let me do another one to show you again. But that's it, guys. That's the second kind of cookie, a little PB&J cookie, which I thought was really cute. And yeah, hey, there's Mr. Robin. Hey, everyone say hi. Say hi, Rob.
Hi, Rob. Do you mind getting off my stool?
So once again, we just grab a tablespoon of the dough, we roll it in our hands, put it on the tray, squish it down just a little bit, and then using a finger or a thumb, create like a little indentation in the cookie, and then put a little bit of jelly in the middle, and that's it. So that is your PB&J cookies. Let me show you a little bit closer together. Just a minute, but oops, sorry, Dean. So we have the two different kinds. We have the black and white chocolate chip ones, and we also have the PB&J ones. You can see there for everyone on Facebook.
I want the jelly ones.
Okay, and then we put these into the oven at 350 degrees, just a minute, for about 15 to 18 minutes. What you're looking for is for it to be very slightly golden brown. It's already pretty brown, so it's going to be really tender. It's still on the inside, a little bit crispy on the outside, but fully cooked through. And that's it. 2 different cookies to help us kick off the weekend. Let's see. Oh, hi, Rob. Thank you so much for watching us today. And that's it, guys. 2 different kinds of cookies. Are you happy with the cookies?
Yeah, I want to eat it now.
Okay, first we will cook them. Okay, Tantalia says, good job on the cookies, guys. Num, num, num. Yay! We'll send you some. I'm kidding, we won't.
Why can't we send you some?
Oh, because we'll probably eat them all.
Why can't we finish them in a box?
Well, we'll see then. Maybe if Tantalia is really good, we'll send her some cookies. How does that sound?
Okay, you better act good.
Okay, guys. Oh, Mama Chris says, thank you. Have a good weekend. Thank you, you too. We really appreciate you joining in on our lives every single day for the last 2 weeks. Thanks to everyone on Facebook that has been watching us, especially Tantalia and Nana. And guys, have an amazing weekend. Let me know if you need any, oh gosh, someone's crying. Let me know if you need any help with any other recipes. And I'll see you again on Monday with something new and fun.
What do you mean on Monday? I thought you said it was the last day.
Yeah, we'll do something different next week. Okay. Well, someone's crying, so we're gonna go. Everyone say bye.
Bye.
Bye, guys.
See you.
Bye.
Bless
Have a great
you.
weekend. See ya.
Bless your week.
Bye, everyone on Facebook. See you later. Bye, Tantalia.
Bye, Nana. Bye, whoever's on there.